Guys, welcome back to the Motor Hub Car Media for another video. We're here back in Plymouth at Marsh Mills. We've got a Ferrari about to leave. Now, I expect the police are going to be arriving because of what happened at last meet with the BMW crashing. But let's go film some arrivals. Let's go and capture this Ferrari and let's go. Old school cosy. Oh, look at the iconic spoiler. And that's how you don't do it. Best car of the meet, Lamborghini. Did a better drift than the BMW. So 350Z with the gold rims has gone. Beautiful. There's one. Oh, turbo. Uh-oh, here we go again. BMW needs to turn the traction off. All learn how to drive. That was the arrivals. Now we're inside the car park. Let's go and see what we can see. Diesel everywhere. That is some sound system. Oh, chill out. Okay, so that's him down there, but here, got an old school Beetle. He's got dual exhausts. Where this guy comes from, he doesn't need roads. Oh, someone loves to bang. Lexus LS400. You just look how executive that is inside. Oh, chill out. Yeah, mate. Oh, hey. He's happy. He's happy to see us. Oh. Alright guys, so that's all that's in the car park and that's all that's going on. Let's go film some exits. You can save 15% at KleanKut Detailing when you use code MOTOR15. And seeing it's the show season, there's no better time to get your car looking absolutely spanking. So code MOTOR15, link to KleanKut Detailing's website down below. Get hold of it, mention our code, grab yourself a bargain, right? And make sure your car is looking mwah, chef's kiss. Oh, it's rooted. Diesel absolutely everywhere. Look at that. Oh, he's trying to send it. He's trying to burn out. Oh, the Volvo. If you must. Oh, turbo. Duo Skylines. Jesus. Well, that was impressive. Oh, oh. someone's gobbing off in there. Jesus. Well, that looks a bit rubbish. Welcome to Plymouth, everybody. Guys, for as little as £2.99 per month, you could be a channel member. You're also able now to leave a donation within the comments and say a super chat when we premiere our video. Every single penny that is gained through that will absolutely go back into the channel, and it will enable me to go further afield rather than Plymouth for more car events. Some of the perks are some of this. These are some of the perks. If that interests you and you want to be a channel member, then yeah, help yourself. There's no obligation and there's no pressure at all. But thank you very, very much for everyone's support with the channel. It absolutely means a lot. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. We are done here at Marshmallows in Plymouth. Was expecting the police to arrive because of what happened in the last meet with the BMW going yeet. Was his own fault. But yeah, no, they didn't turn up, which is a bit odd. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, then consider giving it a thumbs up, share it around. If you're new around here, subscribe and absolutely yeet the bell notification, because that helps me out massively. We're well over 1,000 subscribers now, so it'd be nice to grow it even more. So I've been Luke, this has been another Plymouth Car Meet, and I'll see you guys next time.